everybody, Devin up here, and today I got, yes sir, the Beats Studio Buds. I had to get the red ones, and you know what, I'm gonna do a giveaway on these. As soon as I hit 700, I'm gonna do a giveaway on these. That's to my subscribers, that's to my new subscribers. How you doing? Once I get to 700 subscribers, I'm gonna do a giveaway just for y'all. So with that being said, what's up to my channel? How you doing? Stepping up here, and I'm back. All right, so I got goals today, you got goals today. Let's get it done. Throw the threes up for your boy. Hey. Alright, so here it is, the Buds in red. I think this is probably the best color. They have black, white, and red. I mean, come on now, how can you not get these in red, man? And then you got the Beats logo. These are pretty tough. So of course, they're made by Beats. Active noise canceling and transparency mode. Has powerful balanced sound, and it also has a USB Type-C charging. Alright, now it's time to unbox it. Alright, so when you first open it up, this is what the case look like. You got the USB Type-C charging, so 5 minutes equals 1 hour charging, which is great. Great sound starts with proper fit. Ear tips inside, so you have multiple ear tips, and also comes with different sizes. As you see, it has the small and the large. I like this setup. It's a nice setup. You know, you got your ear telling you how to function things. They actually have buttons on it, so you know you can pause, play, make calls, go forward, back, and also you can change the transparency modes. It says try me free. You get free Apple Music. You can also use this on your Android phone. Apple, of course. Comes with a Beat sticker, safety and handling, and warranties. Alright, so now here's the Beats themselves. They look like, you know, AirPods, but just a little bit bigger. And honestly, let's be honest, man. These are the prototypes for the AirPod Pros that's gonna come soon. But while we on it, let's talk about it. So inside, when you first take them out, they look really beautiful. Nice quality. You got the Beats logo, you know, the all red case, all red inside, all red everything on the bottom. You got the USB Type-C. You have the light to emulate the status of it, you know. So the pairing button is gonna be on the inside, which is pretty awesome. So now let's take these out. They're nice and simple to take out because you have these parts to hold on to, you know. Really easy and simple to kind of just, you know, move around in. So I like this on here. Alright, so here are the tips themselves. Just above the B logo, there are actually buttons that you can press down on. And with those buttons, I already shared earlier, you know, here are the buttons that I had shared earlier. You know, like I said, you got the pause, play, phone calls, back, forth, and the transparency modes with the music. Alright, so here are the tips themselves. Very reminiscent of AirPods, you know. They have the same AirPod looks, really nice. I like these, and again, like I said, they're just a little bit smaller, have the same DNA of the AirPods, but just, you know, some better specs. And now speaking of the specs, let's get into it. All right, let me move to the side. Here we go, start with the spec sheets. Let's get it out the way. So let's talk about the battery life. All right, so you can read that amongst yourself. There's the battery life. So pretty much you got 5 hours with the active noise cancellation on, 8 hours with the noise cancellation off, 10 hours with the noise cancellation on, 16 hours with the noise cancellation off with the charging case, and the total battery life, 15 hours with the noise cancellation on, and 24 hours with the noise cancellation off. So of course, if you have the noise cancellation off, you get more battery life. If it on, you get a decent amount of charge. So for the battery life, that's a good thing. It also has active noise cancellation. That's another plus. Again, it's compatible with both devices, very easy with Apple and Android, so it's another plus right there. It has an IPX4 rating, very basic water resistance, so you can, you know, listen to it within the rain. It can go underwater for not on purpose, you know, underwater for about like really 30 minutes, but I would say about 5-10 minutes before you really see some damage. And yeah, IPX4 is basic rating all across. That's pretty much the basics. Water resistance. Anything below 4 is considered terrible in today's standard. You have Siri, USB type charging. So again, you get that fast charging case. And again, what I said about the battery life. And as you also seen, 5 minutes give you 1 hour battery life. So that's lightning quick, really fast, really great. And I love it. And that's pretty much it for the Beats. I'm gonna put it in my ear. All right, so this side looking like in my ear. They feel great, feel comfortable. Again, they stay in my ear a lot better than they do the AirPods. The AirPods are kind of falling out of my ears, but that could be due to the wear over the years. But since these are brand new tips, they fit really good in my ear. They stay in my ear. It feels really nice. Feel like I can work out. Feel like I can work out with them and, you know, do some damage to these. And again, they're easy to take out because they have these grip parts right here I can just hold on to and just take them out, put them in really easy, flip them around any kind of way I want to, and it feels really nice. So I'm going to listen to some sounds and give out a phone test and be right back. All right, so the sound sounds great. You know, simple Apple AirPod Pro sound test, nothing really different. Nice test, great sounds. But here's a but, it's not good with phone calls. I'm telling you that right now. Sound like a robot. You either sound like a robot or you sound really, really low, as if like you're far away. I don't recommend these for phone calls. If you're gonna use this for your personal, working out, traveling, just strictly personal use, not really for phone calls, these are great for you. Get these. They're really cheap compared to other competition. And again, I don't really think these are actually meant for phone calls. They can make phone calls, but I don't think they were actually meant for phone calls. Beats are more meant for music, which they excel in. They're doing great in. It's a thumbs up for me, but again, I'm telling you now, don't expect good phone calls. Don't expect good phone calls with these. All right, guys, that's the end of the video. When I get to 700, I'm gonna do 3 winners. Number 1 is gonna get these Beats and a gift card. Second person is gonna get a gift card. Third person is just gonna get a gift card. So yeah, when I get to 700, I'm gonna do the giveaway. Again, thanks for watching. I'm out. Throwing things for your boy. I got goals today. You got goals today. Let's get it done. Peace. Thanks for watching, and I'm out.